Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel, your Christmas edition. This Christmas season, we are excited to bring you inspiring, heartwarming, and uplifting stories that capture the true spirit and the essence of Christmas. Join us as we share a brand new Christmas story daily throughout the Yuletide season. These stories are designed to fill your heart with joy, peace, and love, thereby creating precious memories that will linger in your heart. They will help you experience the magic of Christmas in a deeper and more meaningful way beyond the funfair that Christmas is known for. With each new story every day, you won't want to miss a single moment. So let's celebrate this season in a way that will stay with you longer after the holidays. So create time, sit back, relax, and enjoy the stories. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. From my heart to yours, peace and joy, Titus Ogbeteri. And now, today's Christmas story, titled The Christmas Tree of Compassion. Every year, the residents of Maplewood gather for the annual Christmas tree lighting ceremony in the town square. It was a tradition that everyone looked forward to, with the whole town coming together to decorate the tree, sing carols, and share in the joy of the season. This year, however, something was different. The town had been through a tough year. Many families had faced hardships, and some had even lost their homes due to a fire that had devastated part of the town earlier in the year. The holiday spirit seemed to be missing, and the people of Maplewood were unsure how they would celebrate. Despite the challenges, a local woman named Grace decided to take matters into her own hands. She was known for her kind heart and unshakable belief in the power of community, and she refused to let the holiday season pass without bringing back the joy that Maplewood had always known. Grace called on her neighbors, young and old, and invited them to the town square to help decorate the Christmas tree. At first, the turnout was small, but as people saw others gathering, more and more residents showed up, bringing decorations, homemade ornaments, and even a few handmade gifts. They worked together, decorating the tree with laughter, music, and stories. As the final light was placed on the top of the tree, the whole town stood in awe of the tree, which now sparkled brightly in the center of the square. In that moment, the spirit of Christmas had returned, not because of the tree itself, but because the community had come together, sharing their love, compassion, and support for one another. As the evening went on, a small group of children approached Grace, handing her a handmade ornament they had crafted. "We wanted to give you this because you helped bring Christmas back," they said. Grace's eyes filled with tears as she realized that the true spirit of Christmas wasn't about the decorations, the gifts, or the tree. It was about the compassion, unity, and care that people shared with each other. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story. Beloved, the spirit of Christmas is not something that can be bought or wrapped in shiny paper. It's a feeling that arises when we come together, support one another, and show compassion. Like Grace, who took the initiative to bring her community together, we each have the power to spark the Christmas spirit by sharing love and kindness. Whether it's through small acts of care or offering a helping hand to those in need, the true magic of the season lies in our willingness to show compassion. This Christmas, embrace the power of community and togetherness. Sometimes the best gifts we can give are not material things, but the simple acts of kindness that show we care. The spirit of Christmas grows stronger when we share it with others, and as we spread joy, we create a world that is brighter and filled with hope. Remember, the true meaning of Christmas is found in the love we give and the love we receive. When we open our hearts to others, we experience the magic of the season in its purest form. Never underestimate the power of a united community. When we come together to support one another, we amplify the Christmas spirit and create lasting memories that go beyond decorations and gifts. Every small act of kindness is a thread in the fabric of a compassionate world. As you celebrate this Christmas, remember that together we are stronger, and through our shared love and unity, we can bring hope and joy to even the most difficult of times. I hope you're inspired by today's Christmas story and learn some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a very happy, prosperous New Year 2025 in advance. From my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbetera.